And there's whiskers on my chin, and I'm all hung up in music, and I always play to win. I ain't got no time a month, cause my time is all used up. It's for sitting around creating for that groovy kind of stuff. And I'm a man, yes I am, and I can't help but love you so. No, no, no. I'm a man, yes I am, and I can't help but love you so. No, no, no. Yeah, if I had my choice of money, I would rather be with Pat, going closer to each other, knowing where our minds at. After laying to each other, that's how strong the will can be, and resisting all our problems with each groovy chick we see. And I'm a man, yes I am, and I can't help but love you so. No, no, no. I'm a man, yes I am, and I can't help but love you so. No, no, no. Yeah, then I got to keep my image because the fans are at my door. Laying to each other, I'm with people all night long who imagine I'm not human and my heart is staying so. I haven't got no problems and my heart is full of soul. I'm a man, yes I am, and I can't help but love you so. No, no, no. I'm a man, yes I am, and I can't help but love you so. Do you believe it? Yes, I know. Do you believe it? Yes, I know. Do you believe me? Yes, I know. Do you believe it? Yes, I know. Do you believe me? Yes, I know. I'm a man. Yes, I know. Yes, I am. Yes, I know. I'm a man. Yes, I know. In the air. Yes, I know. Man. Yes, I know. Man. Yes, I know. Man. Hey, 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 hey. Yes, I know. Pretty women, stay in line. I'll make love to you, baby, by an hour time. But now I'm a man, by 21. I spell M, man. Oh, 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 oh. I'm going back down, Kansas too. Bring back my second cousin, little John the Copper. Now I'm a man, by 21. Never miss, I'll make love to you, baby, you can't resist. 'Cause now I'm a man, by 21, I spell M-A-R-N, man. Yes, I am. Woo-hoo. Man. in the shell that you build, none too well to conceal how you feel from the others. You drink too much beer, the words are still clear. They cheer as you walk and they crawl in your ear, and their meaning is clear, and you try not to cry for your mother. Well, truth is there, children. Do you care, children? All your gods are dead. You can't go on, 'cause the styrofoam is melting in your head. Sent you to school, you learned all the rules and other things too. How to do all the stuff that you thought was too rough. It was fun. What you said, you enjoyed it. Now you don't know which way to go. There's no one to hold, no one to scold you. It's just the beginning. Maybe you must lose your pride. It has died. You destroyed it. Well, you heard the voices, and now the choice is entirely up to you. Yeah, well, you can live like that, but you still can't lie. People, time's caught up with you. Yes, it has. Yeah, the truth is there, children. Do you care, children? All your gods are dead. You can't go home, 'cause the styrofoam is melting in your head. The truth is there. Yeah, do you care, children? All your gods are dead. You can't go home, 'cause the styrofoam is melting in your head.
gotta write a tune, gotta have it finished tomorrow. Gotta do something new, gotta have an idea, make to the borrow. Gotta be out of sight, gotta be clever, know how to get right. Gotta do something new, gotta have it all tied up by tomorrow. Be cool, gotta do a thing, go to too much potential. Gotta be kind of free, something that the kids will feel is essential. Write a song, make a long talk, not trouble, you're the queen. Gotta have what's that good, the average American teen. Be hard on the mom and dad, make them think and know the answers. Be fake, like a flake, like a glass of flowers, buy music dancers. Be weird, go over here, then know that everything is gonna go well. Get it right, tonight, gotta be something that I know it's gonna sell. Mechanical man, I see your face in all the places that I go. I guess I know you're gonna be there 'cause you're